I would say, and I think a lot of other mathematicians would say, the best thing about equations is you can do the same thing to both sides. And the equation is still true. Because if you have, say, 2 people plus 3 people equals 5 people, if you add another 2 people to each side, you've got 7 on each side. Because the equation was true before, if you do the same thing, the equation's true afterwards as well. Anyway, while I was waffling on, you might have been having a go at this. If not, don't worry, we're going to do loads of examples, just learn through watching and doing whatever works best for you. I've put a plus 5 in a circle here. That's telling me to add 5 to both sides, so I'm going to go 5x plus 15 plus 5 equals 30 plus 5, because I've added 5 to both sides, so it's 5x plus 20 equals 35, because I've decided I'm going to simplify it, which I didn't have to do. Pause the video if you like, have a go in your own time. I'm going to minus 5 from both sides. So it'd be 5x plus 15 minus 5 equals 30 minus 5. I could put brackets round. That's kind of the sensible way to do it, but I don't need to because I've just got a whole bunch of things added together, so in this case it doesn't make any difference. I could simplify this now, so it'd be 5x plus 10 equals 25. Didn't have to simplify it. Okay, I'm going to times both sides by 5. So that'd be 5x plus 15. So that side gets times by 5. And then this side gets times by 5. Oh, wait, I don't need the brackets. Oh, wait, I do need the brackets, because I've got a combination of plus and times. Okay, so I need to times everything by 5 that's inside the brackets here. So that'd be 25x plus 75 equals 150. Are you wondering why? What if I had, let's use a different colour, 2 people plus 3 people equals 5 people. And then each of them had a friend, and so we times the number of people by 2. Well then, that would be 4, because that's 2 friends join them. That would be 6, because that would be 3 friends join them, and that would be 5, because that would be another 5 people join them. So you might be saying, oh, can we play, there's like, maybe it's like 5-a-side football, and you go, no, I want to play 10-a-side. Okay, everybody phone one person and get one friend to come and join us, and then we have 10-a-side. Anyway, bit of a discussion there, maybe that helps you understand what's going on. Let's do the next one. Let's do the same to both sides. 5x plus 15. I'm going to just go like that. Or I could go like that. Doesn't really matter. So again, I need to keep the brackets here. They are kind of important. What's 5x divided by 5? That would be x. What's 15 divided by 5? That would be 3. What's 30 divided by 5? That would be 6. There we go. Let's do the next one. Ah, yes, okay. Summary. If when we do the same thing to both sides, we like add 3 or minus 7 or whatever, then we do it once to each side. We do it once to each side because it's plus and minus. But if we're like timesing by 3 or dividing by 10 or whatever, then we have to do it to every single thing that we can see. You might rewind it. If this is kind of early days of learning for you, you might rewind it, redo the earlier examples and think about what we just talked about there. Or just do more examples. Anyway, now let's look at something else. Is it helpful to times both sides by 8? Puzzle. X plus 1 divided by 8. So the whole thing is times by 8. Equals 10 times 8. Did we actually need those brackets? I'm going to argue we did, because it just clarifies that all we can just cancel those, because that's like divide by 8 and then times by 8, and then we have x plus 1 equals 80. Let's do another one. Oh, this is a bit of a puzzle. What did I do to both sides? I minus 2 from both sides. Another puzzle. What did I do to both sides? Answer, I divided both sides by 5. Which means that each thing has to get divided by 5. Because remember, when you have the brackets, they're important. In this case. Or however you want to think about it. What did I do to both sides here? Did I add something? Did I times? Did I divide? Answer is, I times by 2. Finally, let's follow this instruction. Have a go in your own time or join in with me. I'm not going to bother with brackets or anything. I'm just going to remember I to times, so I just have to do the same thing to both sides. That's 7 over 5, which I'll just help you with in a moment in case you're wondering. 7 over 10 times 2. Well, I can kind of cancel that down. That leaves me with 7 over 5. Anyway, there we go. Hopefully that was kind of helpful. Thanks for watching.